Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more tech reviews and tutorials. Here's a look at the PayPort wallet and its safe usage experience. Find links to PayPort wallet and related resources in the description below. PayPort wallet is a digital wallet designed for smooth and simple cryptocurrency management and payments. It blends security, usability, and convenience for users of all experience levels. The wallet's main goal is to serve those seeking an efficient and secure method for handling their crypto holdings and making transactions. PayPort wallet supports a wide range of cryptocurrencies, including popular choices like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and various stablecoins. This multi-currency capability makes it a practical solution for managing diverse crypto portfolios. The wallet offers a user-friendly interface, simplifying the sending, receiving, and storage of crypto assets. Setup is straightforward, with clear instructions guiding you through creating and securing your wallet. For enhanced security, PayPort offers features like two-factor authentication, 2FA, and encrypted private key storage, safeguarding your funds. One of PayPort's key features is its integrated payment system. This system enables direct transactions with businesses and services accepting cryptocurrency. This makes it a convenient option for using crypto in everyday payments, eliminating the need for third-party conversion services. Furthermore, the wallet incorporates transaction tracking and reporting tools, allowing for effortless monitoring of your activity. PayPort wallet prioritizes accessibility, offering both a mobile app and a web-based platform. This ensures you can manage your funds anytime, anywhere. Its cross-platform functionality keeps your data synchronized across all your devices, providing complete control over your wallet. Security-wise, PayPort is non-custodial. This means you retain full ownership of your private keys, ensuring your assets remain under your control and not held by a third party. Coupled with regular software updates and security audits, PayPort strives to minimize vulnerabilities and provide peace of mind. In conclusion, PayPort wallet presents a secure, versatile, and user-friendly solution for cryptocurrency management. Its robust payment integration, multi-currency support, and strong security measures make it attractive to both beginners and experienced crypto users. Check the description below for links to learn more or download PayPort wallet today.